God damn it. We're gonna flip this over. Boop. And now we're going to open it. Make sure you're careful with this. Okay, we got that side open. Okay, now we gotta flip this over again. Okay, flipped over. It's my S's secret number. Oh. Is there tape? Oh, yep, there's tape. Give me my knife. Where did I put my knife? God damn it. Got my knife again. Okay, hang on. And we're in the box. Ah, there we go. So now, let me take this out and get the. Oop, my hand's stuck. Again. Alright, computer's out of the box. It's time to take it out of the box of the rest. We got our manuals. Yeah, cardboard and oh wait. Yeah, obvious pull tab is obvious. There we go. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Okay. What could this be? What? What? Hang on. We're back. Computer's now turning on. Okay, there we go.